Me again, Megan. Oh, you don't get it.
And me.
And this person, Maya. We're gonna run up the hill. So I'm gonna go all the way up there. Ready? Ready?
Here, record it.
No.
Please.
Like,
I want to go up there.
Isn't she gonna have to zoom though?
No, I don't know how to zoom on that thing.
Okay,
Just
you guys
rolling.
go.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Where you guys going? Hello? Maya, come down. Can't see you guys. Do it fast. Alexis, run down fast. Run down fast. That's the best way to get down. Yeah, because if you do it slowly, you'll slip. Come on down.